So we have challenges with affordability, with our housing stock, not having enough units for people. Also really are struggling with housing the unhoused, people that are homeless and on the streets. We have a couple reasons why we're facing this trouble. First is economic, national economic issues, and a lot of cutting of federal funding, which really impacts our state. As a poor state, we're dependent on federal funds. So when there's an economic downturn in the United States, we feel it in New Mexico more acutely than a lot of other states. So that's one reason. And then the second reason is our economy locally hasn't picked up. And then lastly, we have a crisis with drug abuse in our town and the increase in fentanyl usage. And so that has left a lot of people on the streets, and we don't have drug treatment at a substantial enough level so that people can get off drugs and into housing. So I took away a couple ideas that I thought were interesting. The first one is that I have to go back and remember to think regionally. So a lot of other cities were reaching beyond their city into their other governmental agencies or nonprofits and philanthropic areas and figuring out a more regional approach to housing. We haven't done that in a while, and we need to revisit it. I found that another community, Toronto, had issues with parking lots and trying to put housing on parking lots. We have the same issue, so I'm excited to talk to them about how they're approaching it. Also, that so many of us internationally have the same issues with affordability, number of homes that we need. It's interesting to me that it's a very common thing happening around the world. I think the EU Cities Gateway program really gets me out of Albuquerque and gets me exposed to other issues and other ways of thinking. And we really value that in our town and in our municipality. Albuquerque thinks it's beneficial to see and hear about best practices in other countries. And this has been a great opportunity for us to engage with other municipalities to really understand how they see a lot of the issues that we see.